Hello, my name is Manish. I'm a cryo student and I'm a coding teacher in Bright Champs. So I'm here to answer the JavaScript interview question that what is the difference between double equals to and triple equals to operator. So in JavaScript, when we define a variable, we doesn't define its data types. Suppose is it a string, is it a number, is it a boolean. So we just use three keywords, that is var, lat and const, and that is differentiate according to their redeclaration and reassignment. So suppose if we want to compare two variables, so in that case we need to check that both the numbers or both the values are equal or not. So first that we have double equals to operator that checks that both the values are equal or not in LHS and RHS sides of the variables equals to operator. So double equals to operator only checks that the values are equal or not. Suppose it's an example that if we write 4 double equals to 4, so it will check that 4 is equals to 4. Yes, it's true. But if we check with 3 equals to operator, so what it will check two things. First it will check that values are equal or not, then it will check that data types is equals to or not. In the same example, if I take 4 is equals to, if I write in strings in this quotation mark 4, then in the case of 3 equals to, it will give me as a false value that they both are not equal, because values are equal but the data types is not equal. One is a number and one is a string value. So that is the key difference between equals to and triple equals to operator. In the double equals to, it will check only the values are equal or not. It should be anything, it should be a string, it should be a numbers, it should be a boolean value. But in the case of triple equals to, it will check that the values are equal or not, and the second thing, the data types is equal to or not. That is the key difference between both of them. Thank you.